Does the size or age of a cutting influence propagation rates? Does second year mulberry wood propagate better than first year mulberry wood? Hi, I'm Mark at Dingdong's Garden. We sell mulberry cuttings every year during our annual winter sale. And every year we run tests against cutting stock to check for quality and learn more about mulberry propagation. Over the years, we've discovered that some people believe that newer first year wood is better when you try to root it. We have a lot of second year wood this year, so we just ran a test. We took a variety of large second year growth dormant mulberry cuttings and attempted to propagate them. These mulberries were harvested on December 23rd and stored at 37 degrees Fahrenheit until February 23rd. We rooted all 36 mulberry cuttings under identical conditions using 9-inch tree pots, damp but not wet Pro Mix, and a humidity tent that maintained a temperature and humidity of about 80 degrees Fahrenheit and 80% humidity. We didn't use parafilm to wrap the exposed surface, and we didn't even use rooting hormone. After a couple weeks, you can start to see some growth. At 6 weeks, 25 out of 37, or 67%, were successful in rooting. For this random assortment of mulberry cuttings, this is a pretty good result, and this is what we would see typically on first year wood as well. So does older second year mulberry wood propagate as well as the first year mulberry wood? From these results, we think it does. Good luck with your propagation efforts this season, and have a great week.